Greetings, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel. Today, we're diving into the wealth journey of the renowned financial educator and author, Robert Kiyosaki. In this extensive analysis, we'll explore how the 2008 financial crash propelled him to billionaire status and why he believes the potential 2024 crash could bring even greater riches. Part 1. Lessons from the 2008 financial crash. The 2008 financial crisis was a pivotal moment for many, and Robert Kiyosaki was no exception. Let's dissect the lessons he learned during that tumultuous time. Winners are not afraid of losing, but losers are. Failure is part of the process of success. People who avoid failure also avoid success. Point 1. The power of education. Kiyosaki emphasizes that financial education is the key to navigating economic downturns. Understanding the principles of investing, assets, and liabilities enabled him to make informed decisions during the 2008 crisis. According to Robert Kiyosaki, financial education is the key to financial freedom. He believes that traditional education does not teach people how to manage money effectively, which is why many people struggle financially. Point 2. Leveraging debt as an asset. Contrary to conventional wisdom, Kiyosaki advocates for using debt strategically. During the 2008 crash, he leveraged debt to acquire undervalued assets, setting the stage for substantial wealth accumulation. Robert Kiyosaki very simply boiled down debt into two forms: good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is debt that is used to buy things that won't make you any money. For example, using debt to buy a television will not make you money and therefore is bad debt. Good debt is used to create more money than the debt itself. Consistent income, he created financial stability and resilience against economic uncertainties. According to Robert Kiyosaki, cash flow is the key difference between the E and S and the B and I quadrants. In the E and S categories, cash flow looks like this: salary, small business profit. Expenses =, income 0.6. Diversifying investments. Rather than relying on a single asset class, Kiyosaki diversified his investments across real estate, stocks, and businesses. This approach provided a hedge against market volatility. Part 3. Anticipating the 2024 economic landscape, Kiyosaki has been vocal about his concerns regarding the global economy and his predictions for a potential 2024 crash. Let's explore his insights into the upcoming economic landscape. Point 7. Warning signs in the global economy. Kiyosaki points to warning signs such as rising inflation, excessive debt levels, and geopolitical tensions as indicators of an impending economic downturn. Point 8. The role of central banks. According to Kiyosaki, the actions of central banks, including massive stimulus measures, contribute to an artificial economic environment. He believes these measures may lead to long-term consequences. Point 9. Cryptocurrency and precious metals. Kiyosaki has been an advocate for alternative investments, including cryptocurrencies and precious metals. He sees these assets as hedges against currency devaluation and economic uncertainties. Point 10. Preparing for market opportunities. Similar to his approach in 2008, Kiyosaki suggests preparing for market opportunities during a crisis. He emphasizes the importance of financial education and being ready to capitalize on undervalued assets. Part 4. Strategic moves for the future. As Kiyosaki anticipates the potential 2024 crash, he offers strategic moves for individuals to safeguard their wealth and capitalize on opportunities. He said he continues to move his fiat assets into Bitcoin and precious metals because leaders don't care about you and their actions boil down to war and poverty. Point 11. Reducing dependency on traditional investments, Kiyosaki. advises reducing dependency on traditional investments and exploring alternative assets. This includes a focus on real assets that can withstand economic downturns. Point 12. Entrepreneurial mindset and innovation. Adopting an entrepreneurial mindset and embracing innovation can provide individuals with the agility needed to navigate changing economic landscapes. Point 13. Active management of investments. Rather than passive investing, Kiyosaki recommends active management of investments. Regularly reassessing and adjusting portfolios based on market conditions is crucial for long-term success. Part 5. The power of financial education. Throughout his journey, Kiyosaki consistently emphasizes the power of financial education. Let's explore how continuous learning has been a driving force behind his success. Point 14. Staying informed about market trends. Kiyosaki stays informed about global market trends, economic indicators, and emerging opportunities. This knowledge allows him to make strategic decisions aligned with market dynamics. Point 15. Adapting to technological advancements. Embracing technological advancements and understanding their implications on industries is a key aspect of Kiyosaki's approach. Adapting to change positions individuals for success in evolving markets. Point 16. Mentorship and networking. Kiyosaki attributes part of his success to mentorship and networking. Learning from experienced individuals and building a network of like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Conclusion. As we conclude our deep dive into Robert Kiyosaki's wealth journey, it's evident that his success is built on a foundation of financial education, strategic decision-making, and adaptability. The lessons from the 2008 crash shaped his approach, and as he anticipates the potential 2024 crash, Kiyosaki encourages individuals to be proactive, continuously educate themselves, and strategically position their investments. Remember, the financial landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed is the key to navigating uncertainties. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on finance, investing, and wealth building strategies. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe my channel for such videos.